Tired of your leads feeling like they're scattered across the universe? Let's pull them all into Zoho CRM and supercharge your sales process. First, navigate to the Leads module within your Zoho CRM. This is where the magic begins. If you don't see it, check the module menu to make sure it is available. Next, we're going to import leads. Click on the three dots and then select the import function. This is your gateway to bringing in leads from various sources. Choose your import method. Options include importing from a file, think CSV or Excel, or from other CRM systems or even other Zoho applications. For this tutorial, we will import using a CSV or Excel file. You will now be prompted to upload your file. Once uploaded, pay close attention to the field mapping. This step is crucial. Ensure that each column in your file correctly corresponds to the appropriate field in Zoho CRM, such as first name, last name, email, and company. Zoho CRM goes beyond mere storage. It focuses on lead conversion. Once your leads are in the system, use Zoho's tools to convert them into contacts, accounts, and deals. This will help move them smoothly through the sales pipeline. Finally, leverage Zoho CRM's reporting capabilities. Generate reports to analyze lead sources, conversion rates, and overall pipeline health. This data is invaluable for optimizing your lead management strategies. Now, all your leads are connected, organized, and ready to be nurtured into loyal customers.